Hi. Do ACCA students need to spend lakhs of rupees on ACCA coaching and exam fees? In today's video, we're going to find out how you can save your money by doing some self-study, some coaching, and a lot of passion at your end. But before we do that, like always, thank you so much for all your love, support, comments. I truly appreciate it. If this is your first time on the channel, can I request you to please hit the bell, the like and the subscribe icon. I promise you, I only do videos A, which are going to help you in your ACCA journey, and B, which is going to help you in your overall finance and accounting career. So back to today's video, which is how can someone save lakhs of rupee on ACCA coaching. Now, of course, I am also part of the coaching industry and I teach at FPA Edutech, and we've been teaching for a very long time. We are also a platinum partner, and yes, we do charge a premium for our offline lectures. The answer is very simple. Rents in Mumbai are crazy expensive, right? So if you are going to teach at some of the most premium locations like Borivali, Thane Station, Cherney Road Station, then yes, the rents are expensive, and therefore automatically your offline sessions do become expensive, right? However, today's video is not about why we charge a premium. It is about how you can save a lot of money and how you can do some self-study, how you can do some coaching and still become an ACCA. So the first thing is that while we charge fairly high for our lectures offline, and again, I don't think so it's high, because if we charge let's say 3 point something lakhs for our offline sessions, I end up paying, and this is 3 lakh something for all the 13 papers. I am paying almost 2 lakh rupees for my kid for their kindergarten, right? So I honestly feel that it is not crazy high. It is not huge compared to the kind of returns you can get. But yes, I understand that in the market there are people who are, promoting and marketing ACCA at 30,000, 40,000 and whatnot, right? So in that relativity, yes, we are slightly premium. But again, if you are someone who is okay to do online coaching, then online fees can be very low, right? So therefore, even at FPA, if you are going to, let's say, take live sessions for all the 13 papers, the fees is as low as 1.5, 1.6 lakhs for all the 13 papers, right? Of course, there will be some difference between what we include in that fees versus what we include in the 3 lakhs, right? Because obviously you need to understand that it is not just about teaching, right? You also have to give assistance with doubts. You also have to give assistance with mock paper checking. You also have to give assistance with placement and registration, and there are so many things, right? So I don't want to get into the fees per se of what is what. I just want to tell all the students that yes, if you look at fees which is at 3 lakhs, and then if someone tells you no, this can be done at 1.5 lakh rupees, obviously there's a 50% reduction, right? So like I said at the start of the video itself, that you can actually save lakhs by doing something like online coaching, right? So that's point number one. Now, point number two is that almost every institute out there, including ourselves, there might be an offering for pre-recorded lectures are even a lot more reasonable when it comes to price, right? So if you are planning to do ACCA, then you don't even have to do a 3 lakh or a 1.5 lakh. It can be further brought down as well, right? So therefore you can see, right, that the fees keeps going down as long as you are ready to accommodate a little. Right now coming to, is there a way you can completely study for free? Yes, you can. There is, if you are an ACCA student, you have an access to StudyHub. Now StudyHub has a lot of good content, right? So there's text available, there is quiz available, there is practice test available, there is flashcards available for revision, etc. Then you have a CBE platform where you can give the mocks at least for section A and B in skill. Your paper is automatically checked. For the section C, you get a specimen answer and then you can check your answers accordingly. So you have ACCA StudyHub, you have CBE, and then you have ACCA's Study Resources YouTube channel as well, right? So if anyone who does not want to take any coaching, right, you can actually do self-study through these 2-3 things and you should be able to crack your exams, right? Now, I'm sure at this point then you're wondering, should I go for coaching? Should I go for self-study? I have often seen huge benefit from one-to-one mentoring, from studying in a group, studying where there are lots of students who are preparing along with you, right? Not that because I teach at FPA, but because I was also once a student, right? When I was doing ACCA, I had 3-4 of my friends who were studying ACCA with me in London. So when we were studying as a group, it became so much easier to push each other, to check each other's marks, mocks, right? And that general vibe that is required to complete a program like ACCA is so much more when you have a larger group studying with you, right? So therefore, I feel if you can push your budget a little bit and you can go for a coaching, and like I said, coaching is available for offline, online, you should ideally go for that. Is because not just coaching, then there is also placement and all the other things that I spoke about, which is available, right? However, if you think that you don't need that, you are a self-starter, you can study independently, and of course, you have some financial constraints, then self-study is also doable. Don't let anyone tell you you can't study ACCA without taking a coaching, right? So look, this video today was, like I said, to tell everyone out there that you don't have to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees, right? There is also self-study possible, but only if you are able to accommodate, if you are ready to go that extra mile, right? Then self-study is very much doable. So look, do share it with someone who is planning to take coaching and who wants to take coaching but cannot afford one. Then why not send them our way? Like I said, there are multiple options available at FPA. We would be happy to help them. On that note, all the very best and thank you so much. Bye bye.